Replacing the key fob battery in your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler is a simple DIY task. The key fob, or remote keyless entry transmitter, uses a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. A dead battery prevents you from locking or unlocking doors or activating the alarm. To get started, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool to open the fob and a new CR2032 battery. Wearing gloves is recommended to avoid fingerprints on the circuit board. Make sure your vehicle is turned off before you begin. The standard battery is a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell, available from brands like Energizer or Duracell. It powers the fob's LED indicator, RF transmitter operating at 14 MHz for most models, and any smart key features. Lifespan is typically 1 to 3 years, depending on usage. When inserting the battery, ensure correct polarity with the positive side up. First, locate the seam on your key fob. Gently pry it open with a screwdriver to expose the battery compartment. This reveals the battery compartment. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the buttons to check the range. If the fob doesn't work, reprogram it. For 2007-2014 models, cycle the ignition key 5 times. For 2015 to 2018 models, use the vehicle's key programming mode or a compatible app, or visit a dealership costing $50 or $150. If you notice corrosion, clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Ensure all buttons, including the valet and panic alarm, function correctly after the replacement.